Alright, I'm back again. It's 6:14 this time. Here's Clyde. Got a small rock cod, but getting a few bites. I'm hanging out just in that gap, just ahead of the bucket there, on the edge towards the water. Plenty of bites there. Looks like there's a lot of rockies there. There's the sun. Oh, that's bright in my eyes. Oh, here comes Jenny. What do we got there, Jenny? Another 8-bander. Well, I had one that size and you told me to throw it back. Hey? Oh no. Oh no. Rock cod lobster. Alright. Well, I had one of those, so that's what they are. And I tossed mine back too. Alright. Just an update. You can see the sun, the moon's gone now. Moon's gone to sleep. It's just a beautiful, beautiful morning. Okay. Bye-bye.